DCIS. It's also known as early ductal cancer. DCIS can be asymptomatic and often is picked up during a routine test like a mammogram as part of the breast screening program. But a small number of people can develop symptoms which include, yes, you guessed it, a breast lump. There may also be a nipple discharge which could be blood-stained, a red or darker or scaly rash on the skin around the nipple, or a red or darker scaly rash on the skin around the nipple. DCIS is mainly treated by surgery to remove an area of the breast or the whole breast. Some women may also benefit from hormone therapy. But there is also the invasive ductal carcinoma. This is IDC. It's also known as invasive breast cancer. It is the most common type of breast cancer. It begins in the milk ducts and then spreads through the lining of the ducts into the surrounding breast tissue. The symptoms of invasive breast cancer include the typical symptoms that we encourage you to monitor. So this can be a new lump or thickening in the breast or your armpit, a change in the size, the shape or feel of your breast, skin changes in the breasts, for example, dimpling, puckering, or a rash, redness or bruising around the skin, a discharge or fluid leaking from the nipple of a woman who's not pregnant or breastfeeding, and there could be changes in the position of the nipple. Treatments of invasive breast cancer include radiotherapy, chemotherapy, surgery, hormone therapy, and other targeted cancer drugs. And that brings us to number 7, and this is called invasive lobular breast cancer. Invasive lobular carcinoma, or ILC, is the second most common type of breast cancer. It begins in the breast's milk-producing glands, that is the lobules, and it can spread to surrounding tissues. It may not develop into a lump in all cases. Many women would instead describe a thickening in the breast with invasive lobular cancer. But other possible symptoms include the nipple turns inward. There may be skin changes like dimpling or thickening. While invasive lobular breast cancer can cause these particular symptoms, it's also worth being